Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Priyanka Garg. I am from SIIT Bhopal. Today, we will learn about function of operating system. So, let's start. Functions of operating system. The main function of operating system is to manage the resources such as memory and file of a computer system. It also resolves the conflict that arrive when two users of a program request the same resources at the same time. So the currently used operating system such as Windows, I have already explained you, like Windows 2003, 2002, Windows XP 7, 8, 10. So basically, these are some following important function of operating system. That means first process management, second memory management, third file management, fourth device management, and next is security management. If we talk about process management, I can say that it manages all the processing running in a computer system, which is basically a program that is being currently run by a user on a computer system. I have to take one example for this. For example, we can say that a word processor application program such as Microsoft Word runs a process in a computer system. So this is the process management which is doing by operating system, which is the function of OS. So next is memory management. It manages all the memory resources of a computer system. There are, as you know, there are various memory resources, including like primary memory or secondary memory, like hard disks. And these are the program where main memory is used before their execution. So it is the function of operating system to determine how much memory should be provided to each process. So next is file management. It manages all the files and directories on a computer system. A file can be defined as a collection of information and data which is stored already in the memory of a computer system. As we know, we have to give the name of the memory, name of the particular file which I have to save. So every file has a unique name associated with it. So an operating system allows to create it, modify it, save it, or delete in a computer system. So this is about file management. So we are going to next, device management. The function of operating system deals with the management of peripheral device such as printer, mouse, keyboard, which is attached to a computer system. We can also say that it interacts with the hardware device through a specific device driver. The primary task of operating system is to manage input-output operation performed by all the end of the user. Next is security management. If we talk about security management, it ensures security of a computer system from various threats like virus attack or unauthorized access. So operating system basically use some various techniques like authentication, authorization, cryptography, and etc. for ensuring security program in our computer system. So by the help of security or password, we can nobody will be access our information without our permission. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned and keep learning with SIIT Bhopal.